Hello everyone, today we'll introduce the TOY2 tools. These tools are typically used to unlock single-sided two-track internal milling car locks. They're commonly found on vehicles like BYD, Toyota, and Lexus models. Now let's explore the differences between the tools. The first tool is the TOY2 V3 Lishi tool. The second is the TOY2 V4 Lishi tool. The third is the TOY2 V5 Locksmith Pro tool. The front part of these three tools shares the same data. The difference lies in the scale plates. Let's take a closer look. The TOY2 V3 scale plate does not have a cutout. However, the V4 and V5 have scale plates with cutouts. So, how do we choose the right tool? The TOY2 V3 is used for cars with exposed lock cylinders. When dealing with hidden lock cylinders, you need to use a tool with a cutout like the V4 or V5. Now, what's the difference between the V4 and V5 tools? Let's take a look. The V5 cutout is longer than the V4 cutout. If you use the V4 tool, but it can't reach the lock cylinder, or fails to turn the lock after insertion. If you use the V4 tool, but it can't reach the lock cylinder or fails to turn the lock after insertion, you'll need the extended version, the V5 tool. When in use, the V5 tool can replace both the V4 and V3 tools. Once the tool is inserted, make sure to align it properly. The unlocking method is the same as the key making process. That concludes our introduction for today.